All right, the best way to make money online, recruit people. How do you get them interested? How do you make your videos compelling, sexy, mysterious, interesting? All right, first of all, is your opportunity that you're leading people to look at, usually by watching a video, is it even worth 2 cents? Or is it worth $60? All right? Is it just some type of cash grab that's a fad that, okay, if someone joins, let's say by June 1st, is it going to peter out, and by midsummer it's just going to be like just another online opportunity that no one gives a rat's ass about, okay, ever again? With Save Club, no. It's already a worldwide success. Billion-dollar companies are all over this, all right? In the next year or two, there's going to be millions of people that belong to Save Club, and all of those businesses inside that group, that membership group, are going to offer certain deals just for you, just for me. I've already signed up. Okay, a couple of weeks ago, I climbed aboard. All right, I had 1997. All right, $20 minus 3 pennies. And when I looked at the opportunity, I went, no, I want to be an affiliate. I have $60. Okay, so I came up with a total of $79.97. Okay, and I spent about a day, and I looked at the back office. I looked at the deals. I needed tires for my Hummer from Discount Tire. I saved $400. I wanted one of these fancy mattresses from Purple Mattress. I saved $300. I belonged to 2 car washes here in Salt Lake. I saved $17 a month. I went to Subway and saved a few bucks. I accidentally went by a Burger King last week, and I accidentally bought 2 Whoppers, and I saved money. I went to Home Depot, bought some things, and I saved some money. And I love the store called Walmart. If you live in America, they are massively successful. You walk in there needing a screwdriver, and before you know it, you walk out of Walmart with like $300 of food, coats, shoes, camping tents. You don't even go camping and you buy a tent. It's just same with Costco. There's certain stores you go in and you get so caught up. And if you're on a budget, you even forget that. Okay, but when you're in Save Club, you're going to find that you're already buying things by habit. All right, you got a ritual. All right, you got an everyday thing going on. Every 30 days, you probably buy similar stuff. And when you see those companies inside of the Save Club, you're just going to go, why not save $50, $100 or more on things I'm already buying? And then if you're going to go on vacation, Disneyland, you need a lift to the airport, for a hotel, to go to an amusement park. All of those I just mentioned are inside of Save Club. Okay? You want to go to Home Depot to update your patio or buy some, I don't know, some tools so you can fix the fence or paint the fence. Okay, you want to go there and buy a lawnmower. All right, us guys, we love Home Depot and Lowe's, which is, they're both similar stores. Ladies, there's a lot of stuff where you can just go in the back office and shop and shop and shop in your mind. Don't go physically shopping yet. What I recommend is after you join Save Club, just go through all of the categories. Look at all the businesses. And then write down with pen and ink. I mean, right now the pen and the paper is such a rare thing. But go ahead and just go, hey, next month I want to buy some flowers. Okay, Home Depot, Walmart. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to save up enough money where I can take my family on vacation. Okay, where are you going to go? Disneyland, I don't know, Knott's Berry Farm, maybe Universal Studios, which I like. Okay, write it down. Write down the flights, write down the hotels. Go to Save Club and see how much you can save. Or are you going to go, nah, I'd rather just pay full price. Okay, you're not going to do that. This is a worldwide thing too. Give it some time, but over the next 3, 6, 9 months, and obviously by next year, guys, we're going to have millions of savings worldwide. That's Canada to Mexico to UK, right on down to Australia. All right, skip on over to Africa and then go across the ocean into Asian areas. We're already kicking butt in Malaysia. China, of course, Japan, and even the Philippines is rocking with us already. But give it time. Right now, the most deals are in America, but they're going to bleed up to every single one of those darn countries I just mentioned, or regions of planet Earth. Okay? This is an affiliate opportunity for you for $60. Okay? That's what sets us apart from Groupon and all these other saving clubs. Joining something to save money has been around a long time, but nothing like Save Club. All right, with technology and a proven website and the way that the credit card processing is and the way that the generous pay plan, 5 ways to get paid on the membership side, it's already proven by a company called Live Good. And you can see their products on my mini fridge right there where I'm kind of pointing with my little weird thumb. Okay. 2 million people have joined Live Good in the last 2 years. They're doing $15 million of product sales wholesale every 30 days. And I think they're in 214 countries. They might be even in 214 to 15 as of today, but that's tremendous success. And I'm talking almost June 1st of 2025. All right, this video isn't about success from a company 5 to 10 years ago. Live Good is brand new, fresh and yummy. And right now, their infrastructure is identical or within 85 to 90% as this new Save Club. I'm a big fan of Live Good. I know it really well. All right, I'm number 29 on the leaderboard out of 2 million people in that company. I'm already top 10 in this company. All right, I've joined a few weeks ago. I've already made a couple grand. And guys, this is just a handful of people. I've only signed up 66 people, which is amazing. And to pull in a couple grand already, I'm on par to make probably 8 grand a month already. And I've only been doing this a couple weeks, going on week number 3. Now I got to do disclaimer. Income and results are going to be different. Are my results typical? I don't know. Probably not. But you can make more or less depending on your effort and fun factor. And what do I mean by that? When you post, make it fun. Dress how you want. Look how you want. You don't have to be all serious. If you want to walk outside or sit behind your car or maybe go in your living room when no one's around, you might be embarrassed doing a video. Well, try it. Worst thing that can happen is nothing. Nothing's going to happen. Okay? Relax. Okay? You can do this. You can be retired. You can be older, younger. Boy, if you're 18 and you know about this, because you have to be 18 to participate as an affiliate. But boy, if you're fresh out of high school or even if you're in high school, because most people in high school here in America, you're 18 for a few months before you graduate. But I'll tell you what, if you just don't have a big budget and aren't planning on going to city college, trade tech, or maybe a university, okay, if you are, then great. But you know what? You can still do this business, even if you want to be a doctor, lawyer, rock star, porn star, whatever your dreams are. And I'm talking to the youth out there. Give this a shot. I'll tell you what, this is an amazing opportunity for even an old ass like me. Guys, I graduated 40 years ago. I am so jealous if you're graduating now. Oh, you young little whippersnappers. But this is a lot of fun for me. I love to post. I love to make video. I love to make people laugh. I love to do smart ass things on Facebook. TikTok, Instagram, I don't really do that much, but I like Facebook the most. But you know what? All of them work. Twitter, Threads, X, whatever Twitter's called. I hate that name X. X is good. X marks the spot, but everyone calls it Twitter. I would just probably rename it Twitter again. If I was Elon Musk, I'd go, I was just kidding. It's back to Twitter. But post wherever the hell you want, guys. Make a business card. Have fun. That's what I do. I'll leave you with this on my screen. I made these business cards at Vistaprint. And guess what? Vistaprint is inside the Save Club. I bought ilovesaveclub.com for 12 bucks and 17 pennies out the door. And when you click that, you're going to go to this page here. You're going to watch this video of our founder, Charles Moy. Okay? Just listen to this video. If you're not going to do any video like I'm doing now, don't worry about it. Just invite people to your own personal link here and have them watch this YouTube video. Invite people to fill out this. I'm inviting you now. Just put your information here and hit that orange button. Okay? You're going to get a nice email from me and from Save Club. And if you want to join, just open up that Save Club email, get your name, a username, a password. All right, just go ahead and configure your bank or cryptocurrency. All right, a lot of people just use crypto worldwide. They don't have banks all over the place. Okay, and then we'll get real good at one thing. Okay, we'll show you how people email you for information, how people come to your inbox for information about Save Club. All right, how to post on social media. All right, or doing a video like this where you just get a webcam and you're just talking to it. And if you mess up, who cares? Upload it anyway on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want. Just make sure your link is good. All right, mine, ilovesaveclub.com. Please go to that, okay? And I want you to just watch that video too with good old Charles Moy. Okay, you'll like him. Good guy. All right, thank you for the last 10 minutes of your life. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I think you got my domain name memorized by now. ilovesaveclub.com. You guys have a good day, and hopefully my next videos are popping up by my head right now. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.